This JOINLGO 4-channel mobile DVR kit delivers full high-definition recording on every channel, making it a strong choice for trucks, buses, and vans that need reliable evidence-quality footage. The combination of fourth-generation connectivity, wireless networking, and built-in global positioning lets you monitor vehicles in real time from a computer or smartphone while also logging precise routes. Its solid-state drive and dual secure digital card design support very large storage capacity with loop recording, so long trips are covered without constant manual file management. The included infrared side and rear cameras are fully metal, highly water-resistant, and perform well at night. And the 7-inch in-dash display is clear enough for confident maneuvering and review. Rugged fanless construction, motion detection, impact sensing, and extended post-shutdown recording make this system well-suited to harsh commercial use and help capture critical incidents even when the engine is off. Geo-fencing, multiple alarm inputs with automatic full-screen alerts, and a thoughtful remote receiver design round out a feature set that feels tailored to professional fleet operators.